Wouldn't you like for it to stay this good forever? Hand in hand, let's enjoy this time together. Nobody knows except for you and me.
When we talk about propulsion, one of the aspects of the propulsion comes from the leg kick timing. And when we talk about long distance swim, the leg kick timing, we usually use something called the two big kick. What do I mean by two big kick? Two big kick means if you do a one stroke cycle, you kick 2 times. This is one stroke, 2 stroke. This is called one stroke cycle, and we kick 2 times. And usually the coordination is the right arm with the left leg. That's called the two big kick. Left arm with the right leg. So, but when do we start to kick? So this is where previously when we talk about the underwater stroke, where you extend and get the upper arm to the side like holding a water ball. Once you actually hold the water, that is where you recover and hold the water. This is where you actually release the kneecap and then rotate together. That is where you use the right knee, release the kneecap, and then extend the left hand at the same time. So that's where you actually, once you finish up, once you start your catch, that is also once where you actually kick to the other side, because the leg also used as an anchor and the hands also used as an anchor, and that's where you drive the left hip down at the same time. So focus on right leg as you anchor, as you get into the catch position of the anchor like a big water ball. That is where you also start to kick, and that's where your left hand extended. So now we're going to take a look at how the water, how it looks like during the timing. So right leg with left hand with right leg. Now you're going to take a look at how two big kick is being performed, and after that I'm going to do a drill to introduce the leg and hips rotation coordination for the two big kick.